What is data types in PHP? In PHP, variable can store different types of data, and all data have different data types, and all data types can do different things. In PHP there are supports many data types. The data types are string, integer, float, Boolean, array, object and null. What is string, integer and float? A sequence of character is called string. If can be store any text around single or double quotes. Integer data type is a number. It must be non-decimal numbers. It must have a one-digit. Integer number value can either positive or negative, like 564, 89,745, minus 5,485. A float data type, also called double. It is also store integer data type, but it store only decimal value like 253.62, 52,423.65. Now see an example of string, integer and float data types. In example we use PHP var_dump function. It is used to return data type and value. Open a Dreamweaver with new PHP file. Now we declare a variable and assign a string value, and then print the value using var_dump. var_dump is a PHP function. It is used to return a data type with value. Then same as declare one again a variable and now assign a integer value. After that we again declare a variable with float or double value. Then save this file. We saved this file using name datatype.php. You can save with another name whatever you want. Now go to the browser and run this file. Yeah, the code are executed successfully. You can see the result with data type. First is string, second is integer and last is float. So this way we can use PHP data types. What is Boolean and Array? A data type which store only two states, true and false, called Boolean data type. A Boolean data type store only true and false statement. A data type which can be store multiple values in a single variable, that is called array data type. See example for Boolean and array data types. Open a Dreamweaver with new PHP file. Now we declare two variables with true and false value, then print it. Then declare an array variable. Array variable can store multiple values. For declaring array variable, we must array keyword and the value I must around in double inverted commas. Now print them the variable using var_dump function. Save this file. After save, open a browser and execute the file. Yeah. You can see the first two results are Boolean, because we declare with true and false value. And the last one is array. So from this way we can use Boolean and array data type variables. What is object and null? PHP is also an object-oriented programming language. We can also access value using object data type. For using object data type, we must use class keyword. A class is a structure, it contains process and methods. For using object data type, we must declare class. A data type which is not assigned any value, called null data type. If we create a variable without any value, then it automatically assign a value, null. Now see example of object and null data type. Open a Adobe Dreamweaver with new PHP document. PHP is an object-oriented programming language. For using object data type, we must use class and function. Class is a structure which is contain process and methods. We will more discuss about class and function in further tutorials. Now see how can declare class. We use $this keyword. $this is pseudo variable. It is a reference to the current object. After that we use a variable. In this we take variable name is fruit and assign a value is apple. You can see in video how can we declare. Now we creating a new object. For creating a new object, first we declare a variable, then we use new keyword. A new keyword is used to declaring the object of class. After using new keyword, we use class name with small brackets. Now our object name is $ob. Now print the value using object. For printing a value of object data type, we must use the object which we created above $ob. For printing we use $ob greater than fruit. Then using null data type we take another variable and not assign any value, and print them. Now save this file using nameObject.php. Open a browser and execute the file. localhost/test/object.php. Yes, executed successfully. The value is printed on the screen and it automatically get the data type also. We use string value, then it prints string. And the null value is also printed. Now for more clarify, back to the editor and change the fruit value into integer. Now save this file and again run same file. See, the data type is changed, string to integer, so from this way we can use object and null data types. Thank you. Please watch next video, tutorial number 9, and learn PHP strings function step by step.